Hi there. After Hurricane Ida, I took a beautiful photograph of my generator receipt and submitted it correctly, following along with a FEMA tutorial online. I even waited in peace, in the not knowing. Today I got an email from FEMA saying that the image quality was not legible, and to re-upload again but with a better, more beautiful image this time. FEMA's critique of my work triggered a deep childhood wound that I don't feel comfortable sharing with you in this space. Is it my fault? But no. I'm sure my receipt was legible. Do you know how I can fix this?
I have no doubt that your photograph of your generator receipt was beautiful. I want you to stop blaming yourself for this. Can you repeat after me? This is not my fault.
This is not my fault.
You have to understand, FEMA's image processing technique is very abstract and experimental. It's one of my favorite features. But you have to know how to navigate it. I would be very happy to guide you. Log into disasterassistance.gov. Instructions on how to do this can be found in the YouTube video on how to upload a generator receipt. On the dashboard, go to the tab that says Upload History. The categories will be very unspecific and not have anything to do with generators. That's how you know you're in the right place. Then click View Document.
What is that? That's not the photograph I took. That looks nothing like my work.
It is your photograph, and it is also not your photograph. It can be both. It is the FEMA aesthetic. Instead of importing your high-quality, perfectly legible photograph and preserving it in the exact condition it is in, FEMA uses this unique technique to process your image. They download the image, print it out on paper, and then rescan it through a circuit bent copy machine from the 90s that adds this neat glitch effect to the ink, so that is completely and utterly illegible. Then they convert it to a PDF and send it to your Upload History Center. When you zoom in and look closely, it looks like postmodern lo-fi glitch art. It's very hip.
I like postmodern lo-fi glitch art. Maybe I will take credit for this work after all. The problem is that nobody can possibly read the crucial information on this receipt. Not even a little bit. I don't care if you're a pilot. I don't care if you're a surgeon. I don't care if you're a giant hawk hunting a tiny creature to bring back to your family of birds. I mean, nobody can possibly read this. How do I make it right?
Call the phone number on the FEMA website. While you wait on hold, open FEMA's PDF of your receipt and zoom in really tight and scan around a little bit. This receipt is your landscape. It is the terrain of your psyche and a constellation of your soul, blending together on a two-dimensional plane. Search for the regions that call to you, that touch the innermost parts of your being. The moment that an invisible voice inside you tugs at your heart and screams, pause and take a screenshot of that section of the receipt. Repeat over and over again until you have several screenshots of various utterly gorgeous regions of the receipt landscape. Go to FEMA's Art and Design portal on their website. Click Catalog. Under Home and Living, click Canvas. Click Start Designing. Upload one of your screenshots. Click Save. Get it shipped to your home. Install the FEMA receipt art above your white dresser. Now do the same process, but for a shower curtain. Ship it home. Once it is hung in its place, take a ritual cleansing shower. Enter the shower facing the east. Scrub your body with an abrasive pumice stone. Exit facing the west. Do not look back. Do not look back. Now do the same for a single pillow, so you can rest easy and dream of this inner landscape every night. Until one morning you will wake up, and the curtain between this world and the world of dreams will crack open, and that which can be seen, and that which cannot be seen, will unite into a feeling. And the information on the receipt will be clear. Not legible. No. But its message will be clear. Even though you could not possibly read the data on the receipt, it does not matter. Because you have truly known, truly experienced, and lived with the higher octave of the data on the receipt. By the time FEMA picks up the phone, it will no longer matter that you were waiting. Because touching this type of intangible and succulent beauty brings you deeply into the present moment. and that is worth more than all the reimbursement money in the world. The FEMA representative will ask you to submit it again with a more legible image. And you will repeat this submission process all over again, spiraling toward great heights. But this time, we must imagine you happy.
Wow. I will do all that you have said. And more. A deck of cards. A yoga mat. A backpack. I might even sell some of this FEMA receipt art on Jackson Square. Maybe I will make even more money than the reimbursement amount. But regardless of what mountain I climb, when I do it, I will imagine myself happy.
And remember, it is not your fault. FEMA's image processing technique is just very abstract.
It is not my fault. FEMA's image processing technique is just very abstract. It is not my fault.